To appear before the Senate to file with the Office of the Clerk of the Senate by 5 p.m. Monday, 25th of August 2025, the following documents. Documentation 1, designating the members of the County Assembly, being not more than 3 members, if any, who shall attend and represent the Assembly in the proceedings before the Senate. Number 3, indicating the mode of appearance before the Senate, whether in person, by advocate, or in person and by advocate. 3, indicating the names and addresses of the persons to be called as witnesses, if any, and witness statements containing a summary of the evidence to be presented by such witnesses before the Senate, and specifying any other evidence to be relied on. Now, honorable senators, ladies and gentlemen, on Monday, the 25th of August 2025, the Office of the Clerk of the Senate received a response dated the 23rd of August 2025 to the invitation to appear issued to the Governor from Messrs. Katwa and Kemboi advocates, who indicated that the Governor had appointed the firm to represent him in the hearing before the Senate. The letter also indicated that the Council represented the Governor and the list of witnesses for the Governor. Counsel for the Governor also indicated that the Governor would appear before the Senate in person and by advocate. Similarly, on Monday, the 25th of August 2025, the Office of the Clerk of the Senate received a response, reference number H&K, /009/017/2025, and dated the 24th of August 2025, to the invitation to appear issued to the County Assembly of Kericho County from Messrs. H&K Law Advocates, who indicated that the County Assembly of Kericho had appointed the firm to represent the County Assembly in the hearing, and that the County Assembly would also appear in person and by advocates. The letter also indicated the Council represent the County Assembly and the list of witnesses for the County Assembly. Now, pursuant to Rule 8 of the Rules of Procedure, when considering the proposed removal of a governor in plenary, the Clerk of the Senate furnished each party with the documentation filed by the other party in accordance with Rule 6 and 7 of the Rules of Procedure. Now, honorable senators, ladies and gentlemen, the hearing program, which has been appended in today's order paper, details the various activities in the hearing and determination of the matter and the time allocated to each activity. It will be crucial, therefore, that all the parties comply with the time allocated. The parties will be notified of the balance of time on each activity through the digital clocks mounted on the clerk's table. In summary, the program states that today, the Wednesday, 27th of August 2025, after we have dispensed with the preliminary matters, the charges against the Governor shall be read. The Governor will be given an opportunity to take a plea on each charge. This will be followed by an opening statement by the County Assembly and thereafter by the Governor. After the conclusion of the opening statements, the presentation of the case of the County Assembly shall commence and shall not exceed 5 hours. At the sitting scheduled for tomorrow, Thursday, the 28th of August 2025, honorable senators will be given an opportunity to ask questions or seek clarifications from the County Assembly. Thereafter, the Governor will have an opportunity to present his case before the Senate. The presentation shall also not exceed 5 hours. Honorable senators will also be given an opportunity to ask questions or seek clarifications from the Governor. At the sitting scheduled for Friday, the 29th of August 2025, the closing statements by the parties will be made for a period not exceeding 1 hour each. The Senate shall then proceed to debate prior to voting on each of the charges. At this stage, a supplementary order paper will be issued to facilitate this debate. In accordance with Article 123 of the Constitution, the County Governments Act 2012, and Standing Order 86 of the Senate, the voting by the county delegations, the voting shall be by county delegations. The Governor shall cease to hold office if a majority of the county delegations in the Senate vote to uphold any impeachment